Machines tack Mother Nature made it tough, but we beg at the muscle to break through. Watch high-powered E on the wild, only here at Forest Flux. The job's done. Impressive, right? Want me to make a few more variations so you can pick the best one? Clearing land isn't for the faint of heart, but this harrow makes it feel like an adventure rather than a chore. Its rugged construction and sharp tines chew through heavy vegetation and root systems like they're nothing. Whether you're reclaiming farmland, prepping for construction, or just tidying up a forest edge, you'll feel like you've go. From stump to firewood in no time flat. These machines mean business. A Takeuchi TB219 may only weigh 2 tons, but don't let its size fool you. Paired with the atom wood splitter and a ripper tooth, it turns into a stump's toughest opponent. Smooth splits, sharp cuts, and even the most stubborn root ball won't last long. That root ball isn't messing around. It's bulky, tough, and shaped like it's daring anyone to try. But the SK850 steps right up. With smooth hydraulics and nimble control, it slips into tight spots and takes on the kind of jobs that would make bigger machines sweat. Proof that muscle isn't always about size, it's about smart power in the right hands.
Dig around those roots a little bit. Once you can put this down. Yeah.
With a frost ripper, it's not just digging, it's total control. Stumps don't last a second once that tooth bites in, shredding roots and soil with ease. When it comes to yanking out stubborn stumps, shifting heavy rocks, or pulling up objects buried deep in the ground, this tool really shines. But it doesn't stop there, it can even take out long steel rods hammered firmly into the earth. With its precision, it can gently remove something as tricky as a metal bolt from a tree without leaving extra damage behind. Simply put, it's a versatile partner for anyone managing land. The Bobcat T770 with a FAC mulcha doesn't waste time asking. It simply powers through, clearing everything that dares stand in its way. The first idea was pretty straightforward. Yank that tough stump out and be done with it. But after some sweat and a couple of tries, it was clear the job called for something stronger. That's when the SG75 stump grinder rolled in. This powerhouse doesn't mess around. With its roaring engine and razor-sharp blades, it chewed through that stubborn stump as if it were nothing more than a dry stick.